Remember that the following content is just a summary of information available on the internet, generated by AI. Investing decisions carry risks. George Weston Limited, WN.TO, a slice of Canadian market bread or just crumbs? Arguments for buying George Weston Limited. Strong financial position. Current stock price of 218 Canadian dollars and 43 cents aligns with the company's strong fundamentals. Steady revenue streams from Loblaw, a leader in the Canadian retail market. Growth potential. Forecasted price target of 252 Canadian dollars and 42 cents represents a potential upside of 15.56%. Diversification into retail and real estate choice properties ensures resilience during economic slowdowns. Attractive dividend. Current dividend yield of 1.65%. Annual payout of 3 Canadian dollars and 60 cents per share. Reliable cash flows enable consistent dividend payouts. Market trends. Stable grocery market makes George Weston resistant to economic downturns. Investment in Loblaw's digital platforms positions the company well for e-commerce growth. Arguments for selling George Weston Limited. High valuation. Price to earnings, PE ratio of 15.9 is above the sector average. Short-term growth may be limited if development slows. Economic sensitivity. Rising interest rates could increase financing costs for choice properties, impacting profitability. Inflationary pressures and competition may compress profit margins in retail. Margin compression risk. High operational costs, especially in supply chains and raw materials, could hurt profitability. Investments in digital infrastructure may delay returns. Technical data and analysis. Price to earnings ratio, PE, currently 15.9, compared to a historical average of 14.8. Dividend yield, 1.65% annually, equating to 3 Canadian dollars and 60 cents per share. Support levels, 215 Canadian dollars, indicating strong investor interest at this level. Resistance levels, 225 Canadian dollars, which could cap near-term growth. Momentum indicators. RSI suggests a neutral zone, reflecting balanced supply and demand. Insider activity. No significant insider transactions in recent months, indicating management stability. Competitive position. George Weston holds a dominant position in the Canadian grocery and real estate markets. While it faces competition in real estate, Loblaw's extensive reach provides a distinct competitive edge. Impact of the U.S.-Canada trade war. Potential tariff changes could raise raw material costs and affect operational results, though the company's revenues are primarily Canadian-based. Short squeeze potential. Low levels of short interest suggest limited risk of a short squeeze. Market trends. Stable grocery market growth contrasts with inflationary pressures, underscoring the resilience of essential goods providers like George Weston. Conclusion. George Weston Limited is a solid choice for long-term investors seeking stability and dividends. However, its high valuation and inflation risks may limit short-term gains. Monthly S&P 500 performance. In January, the S&P 500 has historically delivered an average return of approximately plus 1.8%, making it one of the stronger months for equities. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for easier access to future analyses. Please like the video to help us understand your needs better. If you want us to prepare a similar short report on another company, write its name in the comments. We do not engage in brokerage activities consisting of investment advice, portfolio management including one or more financial instruments, or preparing recommendations regarding transactions in financial instruments, or any other brokerage activities specified in the Act on Trading in Financial Instruments. Journal of Laws, 2005, number 183, item 1538. In accordance with Regulation EU, number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council of April 16, 2014 on market abuse and the Commission Delegated Regulation, EU, 2016/958 of March 9, 2016 Supplementing Regulation EU. Number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council with regard to regulatory technical standards for the technical means for objective presentation of investment recommendations or other information recommending or suggesting an investment strategy and disclosure of particular interests or indications of conflicts of interest. The information provided in this recording is a compilation developed based on data and content collected from various internet sources, which are not always fully verified by us. They are for educational purposes and as part of an experiment on AI capabilities. When making investment decisions, the user should rely on their own judgment. Transactions conducted by the user are considered their own independent decisions.